if you weren't born with it.
I'm so excited for this video, oh my god. You guys have been requesting hauls because you like what I put on my body. We did part 2 on her channel. So to essentially get a vibe for the whole video, you gotta go to her channel. Also, she's awesome. She picked out some stuff for me that was so cool and Brendon, like outside of my comfort zone. It was really cool. Last thing is you should check out the side channel because it might have rebranded to Paege 2. Let's get started. To Forever 21, no spawn, please, I wish. But if they want to sponsor a meme like me, I'm here. Yeah, I really try. I trust you. We're gonna do it on and off. So I'm gonna show one thing I bought for her. She's gonna show one thing she bought for me.
We got the good. She went crazy.
I went crazy for you.
Okay, wait. I'm ready.
I'll start with accessories. These are very me and also very you. Okay.
Ooh, oh my god. Over it. It says over it.
But if you don't have my merch, because the socks are a bit higher quality, feetsocks.com/Jessie. Okay.
These are so cute. No, I would definitely buy both of these. This is, I feel like very you, but this is like very me too.
Yeah, it has a holographic and a little shell
for you. Like start off good, so.
I saw this in the store and I wanted it so badly.
Yay! I didn't go!
Like, I wanted it
I know,
so
I literally saw it.
I already got lipstick. What does it say?
Like broken.
And especially when you go back to school, you'll be broken.
It's true.
Okay.
Wait, I saw this!
Roll with me.
This is so cute. Wait, I
get
love
it? That
this.
pun, and it's also like rollerblades.
Yeah. So I have like one more thing for you. It's like a little pair of socks. But they have a kitty face on them. I thought they were so cute.
Wait. Oh my god, they're really high. I love how I'm trying them on my arm.
Just like sliding on the arm. I know, right? I thought it'd be so cute.
No, you hurt me.
You did so good. I really like love everything.
Really?
Yeah.
I love everything too. Oh my gosh, literally.
I know, this jacket. It's just so cute.
And be sure to check out her video. I'm gonna feature your Instagram and Twitter posts. There will probably be on our faces, just so you know. Your Instagram and Twitter pages.
Oh, that was a good one.
Sorry, I just need to like leave a pause for the joke to settle in.
Okay.
Yeah. And I will see you guys in the future.